tahu, and I'm gonna use some kitchen towel just to make them dry because we're gonna saute them in oil later. And you know what? These summer rolls ingredients we're using, you can also put them in sushi. So you will have like vegetable sushi. Let's move over to our paprika. I chose a red one, nice for the colors. And did you know that, that every color in our vegetables, they have their own benefits. They have their own vitamins and antioxidants. So I don't know if you know this saying, eat the rainbow. I like to say that to my kids. You got to eat the rainbow. So we're gonna name all the colors of the fruits and of the vegetables, because every vegetable has its own unique properties, vitamins, antioxidants, phytonutrients that help you with your health. And then we move over to our cucumber. So we don't want the middle part, the soft part where all the seeds are. It will make it too watery. So just julienne peel until you get to the core. And you know, cucumber is great because 95% of its content is from water. So load up on cucumbers in your smoothie or in your juice, your salad, and in the summer roll, we just generously use one whole cucumber. Pat dry this so it doesn't get too soggy. And then we move over to, I love this beautiful deep purple color. It's a purple cabbage. So just slice it as best as you can. Watch out for your fingers. And then we have the carrot. And then we move over to our mint. So I have it here, the carrots, the paprika. I already torn some mint. I have more here. Just take the leaves out if you have mint. If you don't have mint, you can use kemangi leaves, you know. I also have a bunch of kemangi here if that's what you have on hand. Here are the cucumbers and the purple cabbage, looking very pretty. Then I have a avocado. I believe it's the season of avocado here. I'm based in Bali and I see a lot of avocado. Let's see how this looks like. I think it's the beginning of the season. So you can hold your avocado like this, and then you slice it around the pit, around the seed. Be careful for your fingers. And then we open it. And another trick, if you want to get the seed out, you just do this. Smash it into the seed right in the middle, and then you twist, and it's out. And with a spoon later, we can just take it out. Ooh, this one got a few spots here. But again, you know, just like our health journey, mindfulness journey, we are not aiming for perfection. We're aiming for progress. So also for this class, aim for progress, that you're learning new things and not perfection. All right? Let's move to making the dressing. I have a really nice peanut dressing for you. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So if you have a high-speed power blender or a food processor, you can easily make your own peanut butter where there's no added oils, no added sugar or other additives or nasties in it. So, heaping spoon. I love peanut butter. Or almond butter, if that's what you have. Almond butter, cashew butter, it will work. And I love coconut aminos. I don't know if you are familiar with this. It's like a soy sauce, but less salty, and it's from coconuts and not from soybeans. And I hardly use soy sauce. I just use the coconut aminos. And so you only need 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. And then you can use honey or maple syrup. You just need 1 tablespoon of this. Goes in here. Okay, so I'm grating this ginger, and what I want is about a teaspoon. So let's go over this, keeping 1 more kick. But this one goes into my sauce, all the ginger, I love it. And then we want to add some acidity to it, right? If you have it, rice vinegar, or you can use a simple lime, jeruk. Press down and roll. So just cut this side here on the side so you don't get the seeds. So this is perfect. We got the juice here. Put this in here. Add another extra kick by adding sriracha, 1 teaspoon. This goes in. Add a little bit of sesame oil will also give some great depth and taste. 1/2 teaspoon. You can use a spoon, you can use whatever you have in mind. I have a small whisk here, and I'm just gonna mix this up. So I've got a very thick sauce, so I just thin it out with a little bit of water. You see, with cooking, there's no right or wrong, okay? You can adjust flavors, you know, make it more spicier, add different kinds of vegetables, just be creative and experiment. And I think that's really why cooking is very therapeutic for me. I can feed my family, I can feed my body, nourish my body and my family's body, but also really connect with food, with my mind, and take time to put all the love and care and being mindful, being present to prepare this. So I got my dressing, I got my tahu here, I got my coconut oil. So coconut oil is an excellent choice for cooking, especially sauteing or deep frying or stir frying. So you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This has a very high smoking point, meaning you can cook, you know, to a very high degree without any toxins being released. 2 tablespoons oil here in your skillet. Give it a shake and stir. Nice golden brown, crispy. Okay, so get your ingredients all together. So what you also need is a big shallow bowl. Put the sheet, the rice paper sheet, put it in water for about 10 seconds. Take it out. It still feels hard, and that's all right because it will get soft very quickly. Put it in here. Get your ingredients. Get a bunch of cucumber here. And then tahu. Take 2 pieces of tahu. We have enough space. Some carrots. And then some purple cabbage that looks pretty. Paprika. And your mint leaves. Or whatever you have on hand. You can scoop out your avocado. Put it here. Filling. So you just put the sides back in, like this, and then you start rolling. And then you have this nice, colorful package of a bundle of joy. Slice it in the middle so we can see the inside. And then it looks like this. I hope you have a plate ready. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Get the dressing here. Dip it in like this and enjoy